Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Command economies can be tricky, but we will master this concept in seconds. Let's break down how resources are managed when the state takes control. First, we must define a command economy as a system where a central power makes the major economic decisions. This is the opposite of a decentralized market driven by individuals. Next, identify that in this system, the government or a central authority controls the factors of production. They decide what to produce, how to produce it, and who gets it. Finally, we select option C because it correctly states that the government directs resource use. This matches our definition perfectly. You nailed it! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.